Guys, welcome back to my channel and to a brand new video. Today's video is definitely for you if you're in need of cleaning motivation and inspiration to get things done. Today's video is a realistic vlog and it's a weekend in my life as a busy UK mom. So we're going to be cleaning, spending some family time, a little bit of self-care, a little bit of cooking and a trip to B&M as well because it is Hope's birthday soon. So I have got a lot to do and I wanted to see how much we could get done together. I wanted some sort of cozy vibes tonight, so I was making sure that I clean my kitchen, put everything back where it's supposed to, empty and fill the dishwasher. I almost didn't post this video because it just felt a bit chaotic. There's a lot of things going on and then I realised that's exactly what mom life is. It's messy, unpredictable, but it's real and it's relatable. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, there's a bit of everything in here, but that's mom life and I'm trying to be better. I've only just learnt this about my dishwasher, but I can put it on a delay timer for 3 hours, which would be 7 o'clock now, 7, 8, 9, 10, which should be 10 o'clock at night. And I put it on for that, so it is doing when everyone's in bed. And then that means if I forget, like I normally do, to switch it on before I go to bed, it's just going to do it anyway, even if people are still adding things to it after dinner. Hope's had to take out tonight with her dad and realised that his girlfriend's and Riley's done himself something. So I've only got a cup for myself tonight, which is weird. Yeah. Thank you for that. Do you like her little stitch plate? This was £1 from a car boot. So cute. Just snap that away and my sink is disgusting. This really needs a good clean. It's just bits of food, to be honest. But I'm just going to carry on with the clean. Hope did come in halfway through and was like, I want a snack. So we're just going to chop up some watermelon and then pop that in. I'm also going to have a piece as well, which you'll see in a minute. I've got it in my mouth as I'm running around cleaning the kitchen. But yeah, I'm just going to carry on and clean everywhere. Give this a really good scrub and a buff up because it hasn't been done in a while. And also all around the edges was so grubby and they've just got little bits in where they've not been sealed very well. So I'm just going to go and give this some good TLC. So grab your cleaning stuff and clean along with me, or grab a cup and some snacks, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
I bet you think that I should calm down and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are.
Can only apologise for me eating watermelon and cleaning. Now it is pamper time and I don't do this very often, but I'm having a good old soak in the bath. Hope did come in a few times and a shave, and then I'm out the bath and these are the products all I'm using. I'm going to cleanse my face and then put some coconut oil on my eyebrows and my eyelashes as well. I do this when I've got no makeup on and it just helps to repair any that are damaged from curling my eyelashes. I've grown my eyebrows back doing this, so it does work because my eyebrows used to look like little thin pencil lines. Now I'm going to dry my hair, not straighten it, I'm just going to dry it so it's not, you know, going to go frizzy. Then I put this scary looking face mask on, lit a candle, and I'm going to go and cook for myself after I've finished washing up. I know I look like a nutter, but this just felt so lovely and it was just such a real calm night that I never ever get in the house. I must look like such a maniac right now. And I think the thing is, as moms, we feel like we have to earn that time. You don't have to earn it. You don't have to run yourself into the ground before you say, right, I'm taking 5 minutes. It shouldn't work like that. We should just learn to take it when we need it. And I needed it this day. I really, really did.
What are you doing? Why are you upside down?
Are you after these? He actually really loves these from Tesco. And I think they're only about 90p. Do you want one of these? I need to hoover. Someone's been in with loom bands. Oh. Little catnip. Hey, what's my jumper? My t-shirt. Hey. Ow, Nacho, you little... So on to dinner. Nacho did rip a hole in me and I did swear at him. But I'll keep that out because we keep it PG over here. Look at him just lying there. Who does he think he is? I do need to do my floors, but I'm not going to do them tonight. I'll do them tomorrow. And I'm also going to put the washer on delayed timer, so when it's finished it will be ready to hang out in the morning when the sun comes up. Hope was already in bed, so I'm taking it one step further and I'm putting some tan on. I don't do this very often, but when I do I feel amazing. It did look green though on the night, so I did have a panic, but as you can see the next morning I'm looking brown. Then once her breakfast is done, I'm going to sit, have a little cuppa, stare out my window, look at the rainy day. The sun did not come up, guys. The cat will join me as well, and then I'm going to get ready because we are going shopping to get stuff from B&M for Hope's birthday. Just showing you guys the tan. I haven't rinsed it off yet. I don't think it was on long enough because I did it quite late at night. I'm such a night owl and I need to start getting to bed earlier, but it seems like the only time nobody wants us or needs anything. My hair's gone so light. Just looks very obvious that I need a cut when it's straight. So we'll curl it. I'm going to take the boys now and sneak to B&M and try and get home some more presents and some little bits and bobs, party stuff. And we might pop to Asda. Pulled up and there's a trolley there, right in front of my car. Haha, smellies. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, it's like a proper flower inside. That one. He's cute. Say hello.
Hello.
I think the glutes. These are so cute. Got the big ones as well, and these. Hey,
We're going to steak. Hey, when we're going to steak for dinner? I mean noodles.
more plates. Oh, Nanny's got these ones, hasn't she?
Really bad for you, bro. I might get the Sukan.
She saw this last time we were in here. Make sure it's shut properly. Aww. Stop it. So many Stitch things. Look at this. I think I've got her that.
Good group of women.
Yeah. Oh, sweaty Betty. We've had a change of plan and we're stopping at my mum's tonight instead because she's gone away again. Oh. The boys are on the gym bit. Oh, go on, Riley. Oh, 2. Oh, he's only done 3. And 4. Come on then. We've got some flowers as well, haven't we? Whoa, good job. Swing it up.
You want to say something?
Yeah. Oh my goodness, you're like a little gymnast.
You want to say it again?
Yeah. Last one to the cars, a smelly rotten egg. Hey! Absolutely beautiful. How gorgeous is her garden. Got the deck in there. There's always an animal. Always. This is my mum's beautiful decking. How gorgeous is this table and chairs? I want to pinch it and take it to my house. Got some lovely. She's got 2 actually. Lovely, lovely. Hey Mia. Hi. Then we're back to my mum's and we fed the animals. Hope's having a dance party. We put the fire on. The boys are just there chilling as well. And then the heavens opened.
That is ridiculous.
Hi, princess. She was in a bit of a strop because she didn't want to stay there. But then when it came to going home, she didn't want to go home. And then we played Monopoly, and that was it for that night. Everything else is a blur. There was a lot of arguments. There always is with Monopoly.
Oh yeah, look. That yellow one is a dog.
No, it's not a duck. Oh, he still looks a bit hot, doesn't he? Is it just... How many's in here? These are the quails. Oh, there's... I can see 2 heads.
Oh, hello. Mommy, look. Look at that.
Oh, there's 3.
That
Oh.
one pecked it. It's pecking the egg.
Is he pecking the egg?
No, pecking the eggs. Lily. I want to call it Chicky.
Oh.
I want to call... Oh my. Mom, you better get out. You better get out.
Whoa. That is a big spider. I'm off. Come on then, let's go into the horses. Come on, you. I want to go out. Hello. No. Don't even think about it. You're having a scratch, so cheeky you are, aren't you? Oh, of course it's raining. No, trapped inside. It's raining. They've got this shelter in the field that they can go in and out of. Be nice. Have you got a scratch? You guys can chill in here. We've got plenty of hay. See you later. I'm gonna walk back in the rain. Bye. Looks covered in hay. I've just took some of that hay there and put it in the shelter for them. Well, we've been at my mum's again for a couple of nights. No, one night. We came yesterday. And we'll be going back today. I've pinched Riley's wellies and they're way too big for me. But yeah, I didn't manage to finish this vlog and get it up on my channel for Sunday. Ooh. But yeah, sorry if it's really wobbly. Hold on. But yeah, I thought I would get this video up and on my channel for Sunday again, and I haven't. I think it's clearly not working with me trying to get a video up for Sunday every week. Tomorrow will be Monday, but that's when you guys will probably see this, if I can get it done in time. And then Tuesday is Hope's birthday, so the next video that you guys see will probably be Hope's getting ready for her birthday. So yeah, got balloons, presents to wrap. I'm not sure what's wrong with me. I'm just so tired, you can tell. Right, I'm gonna go under these trees because it's raining. I'm gonna go and check on the kids, see if they're okay, and then I will be back. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Get soaked. Bye.